G'day guys, down here with Anaconda today. We're doing some quick and easy recipes that you can do anywhere these school holidays. I'm gonna get started with some blueberry pancakes because how good do they look? This is gonna be the easiest pancake recipe you'll ever get. We're talking 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk and 1 egg, and then we're gonna tweak it a little bit so you get the lightest and fluffiest pancake you'll ever eat. Go in with about 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and about half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Got to make sure we don't overwork the batter because we want it to lift and rise as much as we can in the pan. Just lightly grease the pan with a little bit of butter and we can go in with our batter now. We're going to pile on those fresh blueberries. All our pancakes are done, we're ready for the finishing touches. I'm going to stack mine with a bit of vanilla yogurt and top it with some blueberries and coconut. There you have it, my camp style blueberry pancakes, and that is the perfect way to start any day.